Look up. What do you see? Stars. Thousands of them. But what you're seeing is less than 1% of 1% of our own galaxy. There are up to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way alone. And for every star, there are planets. The numbers say the universe should be teeming with life. It should be like a crowded room, noisy with signals, radio waves, and megastructures. But instead, it's silent, dead silent. This is the Fermi Paradox, and the answer to it might be the most terrifying concept in all of science. The Great Filter. Let's do the math. It's scary simple. There are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on every beach on Earth. If only 1% of those stars have Earth-like planets, and only 1% of those develop life, and only 1% of that life becomes intelligent, there should still be thousands of civilizations in our galaxy alone. Some of them should be millions of years older than us. They should have colonized the galaxy by now. We should see their Dyson spheres. We should hear their communications, but we don't. So where is everybody? This brings us to the Great Filter. Imagine evolution is a staircase. Step 1, dead matter becomes life. Step 2, simple life becomes complex cells. Step 3, animals. Step 4, intelligence, that's us. Step 5, interstellar colonization, type 3 civilization. The Great Filter theory suggests that there is a step in the staircase that's almost impossible to climb. A barrier so difficult that it eliminates almost every species that encounters it. It filters out life. Here's the part that will keep you awake tonight. There are only two possibilities regarding this filter. Possibility 1, the filter is behind us. Possibility 2, the filter is ahead of us. Let's break down why both options are mind-bending. If the filter is behind us, that is the good news. It means we, humanity, are incredibly special. It means that one of the steps we already passed was a 1 in a trillion lottery ticket. Maybe the jump from single-celled organisms to complex life is the filter. It took Earth billions of years to figure that out. Maybe everywhere else in the universe, life stays as simple bacteria forever. If this is true, we are likely the first or the only intelligent civilization in the entire galaxy. We are the universe's way of experiencing itself. We are the orphans of the Milky Way. It's lonely, but it means we survived the hardest part. The galaxy is ours for the taking. But there is the other option, the bad news. What if the step from intelligence to galactic civilization is the impossible one? What if the Great Filter is ahead of us? This implies that civilizations like ours pop up all the time. They discover math, they build rockets, they invent the internet. But then something happens. Maybe once technology gets advanced enough, every civilization inevitably destroys itself. Nuclear war, artificial intelligence, engineered viruses, resource exhaustion. If the filter is ahead of us, then the silence of the universe isn't because we are special, it's because everyone else is dead. And we are next. This is why finding bacteria on Mars would actually be the worst news in human history. Why? Because if life is common, it means the filter isn't at the beginning. It means the trap is waiting for us in the future. So are we the first, or are we the last? The Fermi Paradox doesn't have an answer yet, but it forces us to look at our existence differently. If we are alone, we have a responsibility to not let the light of consciousness go out. If we aren't alone, we need to be careful about who we say hello to. What do you think? Is the Great Filter ahead of us or behind us? Let me know in the comments below. I read every theory. If this video made you think, hit that like button so the YouTube algorithm spreads this knowledge. And don't forget to subscribe for more science that keeps you up at night. Thanks for watching and keep looking up.